dolly with me. Ass up, head down, every time you dress down. No, I like.
Hi Pimps and Simps, it's me, LT, and welcome back to another video. Okay, so starting this weekly vlog off, and now I'm just like at the skate park. I am sitting here, I am editing, yeah, I'm editing, and my boyfriend is like skating. If you want to stalk and stick around, all of my social media will be right here as well as linked in the bio. Always, I hope you guys are enjoying the content. I love you guys so much, and we're just gonna get right into this video. So we're going to the gym.
And to all of you watching here, come close to the screen and listen. People don't have to like you. People don't have to love you. They don't even have to respect you. But when you look in the mirror, you better love what you see. You better love what you see. Thank you to the critics.
Okay, hey guys, so I just finished filming my twist out tutorial that will be up on my channel before this video, so please go and watch that. I'm gonna go make breakfast.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else.
Hey guys, so I'm out here. Basically, my boyfriend's skating, and I just made a video for this new series I'm working on. So if y'all would, please stay tuned for it, and I hope that y'all enjoy it. It's something really like personal to me. I hope you're enjoying the vlog. I know it's kind of boring, sorry. I'm really trying, I really am. And yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in a little bit. Bye!
So, how I feel about you, think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
I'm really going to take this moment to say that I'm recording this video because I went to my drawer today and I picked up these like shorts that I really haven't been able to fit since like maybe my freshman, sophomore year of college. And this was like always a big milestone for me, and like now I'm really like here, and that's really crazy. Sorry, that was why this random clip was in here, but okay, bye guys. Okay, also I'm going to make dinner and then just end my vlog here. So yeah, but thank you guys so much for watching with me. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications. But I'll see you guys later. Bye.